Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 16th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, it is 3:32 in the afternoon Eastern time. I'm going to have to leave tonight, so I'm going to record this before close. So this might change a little bit. So right now we are at $931 for Tesla, down $44.47. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we had been doing great these past 2 days, touching 930 as support, but closing above 956, closing above 956. Today we opened above 985, so there was a lot of potential that the stock would be going higher, but no, the stock was just slammed down. It just went straight down, and now it's sitting at 930, the support. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. I think this is one of the great charts you will see this year. 930 was right here. We opened above this resistance that has been in place since December 1st. We tested it on December 8th, and we tested it today by opening above it, but then closed back into it, and we just went straight down and stabilized at 930, 932. This is really interesting because I told you yesterday, wait until we break this resistance before we go in, but we did not break it because during the first hour, we opened above it and closed below it. And stochastic was just on the verge. So right here, a stochastic was at 52 yesterday. Stochastic was at 62. But what is more important are the trend lines. The support lines and the resistance lines are more important than stochastic. So if stochastic is high, but a resistance is there, the resistance might stop the stock. So always look for the resistance, and the resistance was super strong here because the stock just went back in. So I hope this prevented you from going into Tesla right now because it did not break resistance. Let's go back to the daily chart. Nothing much to say aside from that. Everything is bearish. Tesla, we see that Tesla wants to go up, but it's still not ready. I am currently looking at the 5-minute chart. So on the 5-minute chart, look at this here. We have a clear resistance right here at 944. We have a resistance here. So even though stochastic went super high at 98, we could not cross 944. So in terms of the intraday, this is a very important resistance to take a look at, 944. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.